Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be turning these ordinary jars into beautiful pottery style decor. And while we're crafting together, I'll be sharing a story time from my book, A Letter from an Adulteress. Let's go. Guys, here are the 3 jars that we will be using tonight, or bottles that we will be using tonight to create our pottery style decor, as well as the type of spray paint that we're using. I'm also going to be using some of that Decor spackling that you can find just about at any retail outlet or home improvement store. So what I'm doing is basically taking the spackling and I am just applying it with my hands all around the perimeter of this jar. I am just going to keep scooping and just making sure that I keep within the same direction. You don't want to, when you're creating pottery style, the best thing to do is try to stay consistent in your pattern. Now, after doing 1 to 2 or 3 jars, you kind of be like, oh, this is just getting ready to get on here. Because this took a lot longer than I had planned, mainly because I should have used some type of spackling knife or putty knife to apply it with. It would have been a lot easier and a lot smoother. But with mine, I actually like the outcome of it because it gave it texture and it made the project just stand out even the more and made it actually look like real pottery. While we work on adding some paint to each one of these jars, let me read an excerpt from one of my books, A Letter from an Adulteress. Dear Michelle, let me first start this letter by introducing myself to you. I am considered as every woman's worst nightmare and every man's dream come true. I am the woman that creeps into the hearts, the minds, and most often the beds of lonely men. I steal the attention of husbands and make them believe that I am the perfect woman. I pride myself in making sure that when I'm with a man, he forgets all about his problems, his job, and most of all, his wife. You see, I am what you may refer to as an adulteress. You are probably asking yourself, why am I telling you this? Or maybe you have figured it out by now, just from my introduction. Nonetheless, you should know that I go after what, or should I say who I want, and will stop at nothing until I succeed. And right now, Michelle, my aim is targeted directly on your husband. I'm sure you have noticed that when it came to spending time with you, your husband's attention span had become increasingly diminutive, much like that of a 2-year-old. I'm certain that you have observed slight changes in his behavior and or his patterns. You know, taking showers more frequently, becoming more defensive whenever his phone rang, and sometimes even left the room. He was suddenly going on late night outings, either to the store or to take a ride to clear his head. Unfortunately for you, his actions are a result of the lavish treatment I've been giving him. He simply couldn't help himself. You see, Michelle, whenever we were together, unlike you, I made sure that I was extremely attentive to your husband. I listened to what your man needed concentrated on his wants and fulfilled his deepest desires. Yes, I know you may feel like you did your best to give him everything he could have possibly needed. But you see, just like me, your husband is selfish and not easily satisfied. I do hope you know that this adulterous act had nothing to do with you at all, but everything to do with him. After all, he constantly seeks to satisfy his animalistic impulses, and he hungers for more than you can ever offer. I almost feel sad for you because I truly believe that your husband's one true love is himself. Perhaps with the exception of his child, but that too seems questionable at times. I know through my personal relationship with him that he is incapable of committing to someone beyond just carnal lust, and based on my experience with your husband, he will continue this behavior, especially when you give him the space to do so. If you want to hear more excerpts from my book, A Letter from an Adulteress, make sure you leave a comment and say, I want more. And the word for today is letter. So as we go back into this project, what I'm going to be doing is just distressing this project, and it's not going to look distressed to you because this is going to resemble clay pottery. Guys, we are now at the reveal. Here are all three projects styled together. And guys, this video will be re-uploaded tomorrow at noon without the Storytime included. I hope you all like this project. I hope you enjoyed Storytime. And make sure you leave me a comment if you want to know if that old adulteress got the man. So until the next DIY, bye for now.